Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a raspberry smoothie. Start by gathering ripe raspberries, a banana, 1 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup milk, 1 tablespoon honey, and a small handful of ice. Wash fruit and peel the banana, then add everything to a blender. Pulse on low, then blend on high until silky smooth. Taste and tweak sweetness or thickness, then pour into a chilled glass and enjoy. Choosing ingredients makes the difference between okay and outstanding. If you want a thicker texture, frozen raspberries work well and can replace most ice. Plain yogurt gives tart balance while vanilla adds sweetness without extra honey. Pick milk based on creaminess and dietary needs. Almond or oat milk keeps it lighter. Always taste as you go and adjust honey or milk to get the exact flavor and texture. Good blending technique gives a smooth, velvety drink every time. Begin on low speed to break fruit apart, then increase to high for about 30 seconds to fully emulsify. If the mixture sticks to the sides, stop, scrape down with a spatula, and blend again briefly. For an extra silky finish, pulse with a little milk at the end. Serve right away to enjoy peak freshness and bright raspberry color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.